The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending force since the crypto market slump of May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 28 cents. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will carve out opportunity to recuperate from this ruin before it can turn productive. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Macaulay and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and business analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile. Subsequently, they authored the advantage of utilizing verification of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement system, block validators, and make more kid chains of its own. Algorand, the ALGO token. Algorand Organization's group has delivered interface libraries that will be a pioneer. The organization likewise brought a novel token ALGO that is presently a significant hit at the prestigious trades coordinating speed with other digital forms of money. Vantage ALGO, the huge potential. For installments, coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point in any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most reduced charges. Algorand savvy agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, absolution, security, and cost viability. Altcoins can naturally authorize custom principles and rationale, from essentially characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Altcoins are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and Python, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand shrewd agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Most recent news on Algorand organization. A ton of the things in the crypto market rely upon the moving news and feelings of the dealers and financial backers. In this way, watching out for what's going on in the crypto world becomes fundamental. Algorand coin has seen a ton of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top associations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this association, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the advanced resources system, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has additionally joined forces with Algorand to make Blockchain Foundation. Another significant organization is among Algorand and Symbol. With this joining, Algorand will have a security cooperate with the BTP reconciliation. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more different and energetic. In addition to that, the flight organization Air Europa has reported that it will team up with Algorand. Algorand blockchain will be utilized to mint Air Europa's NFTs. TravelX will likewise be essential for this joint effort and assist with circulating Europa span the actual transportation world with the blockchain. This will make Air Europa the very first carrier to utilize blockchain for stock circulation in the board. And that is not the end. Algorand has held hands with a ton of other tremendous foundations, like LimeWire, NJ, NY Gotham FC, HipJump Craftsman DMC, Symbol, and some more. Every one of this shows the strength and steadiness of the Algorand blockchain, and its reception will help the symbolic cost. Algorand Value Forecast, 2022 to 2026. The brain science of brokers assumes a significant part in market feeling. Crypto costs are extremely delicate to the group's mentality towards giving a significant value activity to any computerized cash. In this way, never neglect to do definite exploration on a crypto forecast prior to putting your cash. The ongoing cost of Algorand weights around 32 cents with a market capitalization of $2,240,319,634 with a circling supply of $6,973,060,244 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change in any case. Sell Algorand at the obstruction level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This methodology can assist financial backers with making a transient benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a precarious fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recaptured its lost energy. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some promising and less promising times, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some combination, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The ALGO value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold, however fizzled. Before the cost could recover energy, the whole crypto market saw an accident this year, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upswing. A much of the time noticed characteristic of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating conduct like other digital currencies. The brain science of clients extraordinarily drives the crypto market feelings. Remembering this, underneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand Value Forecast 2022. With organizations and local area subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close 60 cents, which is plus 81.81% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand estimate, however clearly doable, as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon tomorrow. According to our Algorand cost expectations, the base cost of the coin might be around 20 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in approaches and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of cloudy days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost figure, the coin could cruise smoothly around 50 cents with a greatest cost of 68 cents and least cost of 30 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play steady. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the ALGO coin could reflect monstrous development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that Algorand cost will scale to a pinnacle of 75 cents, which is plus 127.27% to the most recent costs. Sometime, however, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. In light of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 40 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Algorand has proactively embraced the POS system and subsequently has tremendous development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In view of our Algorand cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 90 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. Having